Imagine a celestial body the size of a cruise ship hurtling towards Earth at cosmic speeds. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of asteroid 99942 Apophis, nicknamed the God of Chaos. In less than 5 years, this massive space rock will give our planet the closest shave we've seen in recorded history. Apophis, a 350-meter-wide, planet-killer asteroid, is on a collision course with our planet, passing within 32,000 kilometers, closer than some satellites. Its natural orbital path brings it dangerously close to Earth, and scientists are scrambling to prepare for this rare cosmic event. When Apophis was first spotted in 2004, it sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Initial calculations suggested a possible collision with Earth. Thankfully, refined observations have ruled out an impact for at least a century. But don't breathe easy just yet. This close encounter is still set to be a nail-biter. The European Space Agency isn't sitting idle. They're fast-tracking a mission called Ramses to study Apophis during its flyby. This rapid response project aims to unravel the mysteries of the asteroid's composition and behavior. Not to be outdone, NASA's OSIRIS-RX probe will rendezvous with Apophis after its Earth encounter for an extended investigation. While Apophis won't strike this time, its visit is a cosmic wake-up call. It reminds us of the potential threats lurking in the depths of space. Scientists have identified most planet-killer asteroids, but the undiscovered few keep astronomers up at night. As the clock ticks down to Apophis arrival, researchers are poised to gather unprecedented data. This close encounter may be our best chance to prepare for future cosmic curveballs, ensuring humanity's readiness to face whatever the universe hurls our way.